Hola.
Hola.
How you doing?
Bien.
¿Qué vas a hacer?
Fix the coche.
Vamos a limpiarlo. Clean it. We're gonna clean the car.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. What up, motherfuckers? It's been a while since we've made a little video, but just something simple today. Obviously, the car's been Plasti Dip, so I'm gonna just do a little cleaning. You know, there's dark spots, fingerprint spots around the car. So usually, a way to clean it, there's like soapy water, warm soapy water with a microfiber or cloth. So like, see, there's more spots here, just little spots just to make it look decently clean. Not the perfect cleanest freaking Plasti Dip job ever, but just to clean it up a little bit. Milan's gonna help me, right?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna pretty much, like I said, the thing that I like to use is this product called Simple Green. Simple Green is all-purpose concentrate. Usually I'll spray it on the microfiber rag, which you can buy these like at any hardware store, Home Depot, Menards, you know, even probably Walmart or any store. Just I bought like a 20 pack for like 10 bucks or something, nothing crazy, but pretty much what I do is I spray down the actual, make sure it's on, the actual Simple Green, and a spray pen, whatever, doesn't matter. Let me see here. I'll spray it down like, see that's green. Spray some down, make it nice and soaking wet.
Soaking wet.
Yep, and then let's say look for a spot. I mean, I'm gonna do the whole car, but let's say there's little dark spots here, right there. What we're gonna do is wipe it down.
Wipe it down.
As you can see, wipe it down real good, and then just use the dry side, just dry it up a little bit, and there you go, all gone. Look at that. You can see it's a little darker here, but I spray the whole car down and just wipe it down. You see, even here, like right here, there's splash from the tires, water splash right here. So obviously, it won't come off by finger. Obviously, it's Plasti Dip stuff, so it's the same concept. Is I'll get the rag. You could even like spray some down, just like a little small coat. Make sure you put some right here. Then it'll pretty much clean it pretty good right here. See, soak it a little bit, push it a little bit against it. That's why it's like microfiber is kind of soft cloth anyway. So as you can see, like working this area here, rub it kind of hard right there, and the areas here. So the car is not a super perfect paint job, but at least try to make it look, what up? So obviously just dry it up a little bit, clean it up, and that's another section that just got cleaned up. As you can see how clean it is. That compared to like the splash here, so it's not bad. So we're gonna pretty much do the whole car, spray the car down. Milan's gonna help me out, right? You're gonna help me out?
Yep.
All right, so just like I said, a simple video how to clean a Plasti Dip car with the Simple Green concentrate. As you can see, there it is right there. In case you want to ever know how to clean Plasti Dip car, whatever, but it's simple. My 91 Honda CRX, just gonna clean it up, make it look decent right now. This is just a simple video. I'll do before and after. See, there's more spots here, more spots there, bug spray, bugs, you know, like little stuff here, more overspray here with the splash, and let me see here, there's more black spots here, can't really see the back because it's kind of dark, but there's a bunch of grime and stuff in there. And just work on the little spots. There's some dings here that obviously I want to get a can of Plasti Dip and just like probably cut this out, peel it off, and respray these spots. Same with the front bumper here. That's where my velocity stack was right here, so it was just rubbing and then kind of rub itself through. So that's no problem. We just cut a piece off, respray it, maybe like 4 or 5 coats, and it'll be no problem. So that's the beauty of Plasti Dip. You can peel it, break, you know, hit it, whatever, and you just respray it, you know, bottom of a spray can, whatever. So there you go. Here's some more dirty fingerprint marks right here. Obviously the roof, you can see a bunch of little dots everywhere, just from I think it's when I was doing the import face-off event. It was just a bunch of when I was doing the burnouts in the water pit, so I was just freaking spitting a bunch of water particles and everything. So just gonna clean it up. You can see I'll do it before and after. Let me let it focus right now. I'll do a slow walk. All the little black droplets around here. We'll get them all out. Alright, well that's it. Alright, Milan, you gonna help me?
Yep.
So I'm gonna spray it, swipe it, and you're gonna actually like, we're gonna start from the middle here, from the front middle, and then work ourselves all the way back to the front.
Oh, what?
It'll be like a 30-minute process, but
Is it
yep, all the way around, yep, all the way like that, yep. So we're gonna start. She said it should be like a 30-minute process. It's quick, just wipe it down, dry it up. So I'll probably wipe it down with a wet rag, and Milan will wipe it down just to dry it up. It's no biggie. So let's go. Por ahí. Good job. Nice. Okay. There you have it. All done. Probably took, like I said, half hour. Just quick wipe down with the simple green concentrate formula here. Usually I'll mix it with like water in a bucket and then spray some in there. Just kind of like mix it with, so like I don't know what the actual like percentage, or 2 gallons of water for half a gallon or whatever. I don't know what it is, but I just straight up just spray it on there. Quicker, easier. It doesn't do any damage. So obviously you can see how dirty the rag. It used to be a really bright yellow. So obviously this is the one I was wiping down with, like cleaning it. And this is the one with the, yeah, it's done, you're right, good job. Thanks for helping, give me 5. Yeah. So yeah, this is the dry cloth here. So I just pretty much, let's show the camera, see how it turned out.
Yeah.
Let's see in the light. Vamos a mirar. See, obviously you can see how much smoother it is now. No bugs. And the fender as well, it's a lot smoother.
No bugs.
No bugs, no overspray. Even like right here where it had the overspray, all this is pretty clean now. Door has some overspray. No overspray there. So let's look at the top of the actual roof here. As you can see, I was showing you guys earlier. There you go. There you go. More here. I mean, you couldn't really see in the back right here. It was pretty dirty too. It was pretty dusty, so I just cleaned out that. So there's the other side. The body's not the greatest shape, so don't mind that. So it's just so there you go, cleaner than it was before. There's the other fender and the other side of the front bumper, and there's the little damage obviously from the velocity stack. So yeah, that's it. Simple video of a simple green product to clean a Plasti Dip off your the grime and all that bugs, whatever. Cleans it pretty quick, so with a microfiber rag. All right, Milan, we'll see you till next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.